风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song on ICRT. Hailing from Kaohsiung is Hakka singer Cho Soo-chan with her album Shape of Life, and she has been nominated for 3 Golden Melody Awards, including Best Hakka Album. Now, this song called Kyungha, which means together, is about her childhood memory of playing with friends after school, chasing each other by the riverside on weekends, and those fearless times filled with precious memories. Maybe we'll bring back some of your memories. Let's take a listen.
Mọi đồng một soi trên dây trái kinh y xa yang song yang ha yang song yang theo ca khói lò hít theo ca một giờ sự ca ngày nên kyung ha 이사되는 이사의 교부 강가연행의 생활 하고 싶어요 힙합 응어 성교 공파 강가연행의 생활对早晨都安慰呀跳摆
来自高雄的客语歌手邱淑婵，她的创作专辑《茧的形状》入围今年度的金曲奖最佳客语专辑奖以及最佳客语歌手奖。而听到的这首歌《Kyungha》就是共下，也就是一起的意思，在描述邱淑婵与朋友在年幼的时候放学后的玩耍，周末呢在河堤边的追逐，以及那段无惧的时光和他们珍贵的回忆。再一次恭喜邱淑婵入围3座金曲奖。Thank you so much for listening. I'm Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.